Hello everyone, welcome to QuizFace. Let's test how much you know about human body. Comment your score out of 20. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. What is the largest gland of our body? Liver is the right answer. Total number of bones in our body? It's 206. Which is the pumping organ? Can you guess it? Heart is the right one. Which organ filters the blood? Kidney with nephron. Glucose is stored as in our body in the form of glycogen. The smallest cell of human body is its red blood cell RBC. The largest bone of human body is femur is the largest one. The smallest bone of human body is stapes in the ear. How many milk teeth are present during childhood? It's 20. Which joint present in our shoulder? It's ball and socket. Which one present in our blood? Iron is the right one. Heart is made up of muscles. Heart are made up of cardiac muscles. How many times our heart beat in 1 minute? 72 times. How many chambers of human heart? 4 chambers. What is the largest organ in our body? Skin is the largest one. Which part of the digestive system is responsible for nutrient absorption? Small intestine. What is the role of diaphragm? It's aiding our breathing. Which part of the eye controls the amount of light entering? Iris control it. Which organ is responsible for producing insulin? Pancreas. Which type of tissue connect bones to muscle? Ligament connected. One question for you. Which device is used to measure blood pressure? Comment your answer in comment box with your score and comment a topic for the next video. Thank you for